Hi, my name's Beatrice. I just want to talk a little about what healing did for me. 10 years ago, I was sitting in a motel room willing to take my life. I'm dual diagnosis, which means I have an addiction problem on top of mental illness, and it's called dual diagnosis. With that comes a lot of drama, more or less, issues, and I was willing to give my life up, and I was alone. Um, and I just didn't want to live no more. Well, that day I reached out and picked up the phone, and all of a sudden I was talking to this girl, and it must have been a blessing because talking to her made me feel better, and God touched my heart, and I didn't want to die anymore, and I seeked treatment, and I accepted that I was powerless over my addiction and I was willing to change. And when I got sober, I realized that I had mental illness. And I seek treatment for that. Today I've got 10 years clean and sober from the day of that motel room of wanting to give up my life. And I'm in treatment for mental illness. And mental illness and addiction together is a very difficult thing to deal with, but it can be dealt with the proper treatment. But you've got to have the willingness to do it. And I know there are people out there looking at this video right now that are probably using. And I just want you to know that there's a better way of life. And that way is not your addiction, but that way is to learn about your addiction and why you choose to have an addiction. And my mental illness, I didn't choose. Um, that came from doing drugs. And I'm 50 years old um, with a single mother of a special needs child. And those are difficulties alone. Um, through all the trials and tribulations that I go through, I continue to stay sober because I'm able to reach out to a support system. Um, Seek treatment. It's possible to change. We are not bad people. We didn't ask for this. Don't give up hope, but bring awareness to it. And today is a very good day because I've got 10 years clean and I'm a single mother, special needs or not. Um, and I'm willing to deal with the emotions and the feelings because I don't want to lose my life. Today I have a life. And um, I have a roof over my head, and I have somebody that loves me. And if it weren't for me having that telephone that day, and God putting this woman into my life that day, I would not be here, and I wouldn't have a beautiful child. And I just like to bring some awareness to addiction and mental illness. And we feel at times that nobody cares about us and nobody loves us, and we're dealing with things that we don't understand or we can't deal with, and we need that help. And without the proper treatment, you've got a long battle. With the proper treatment, it gets easier, but it is possible. And you can put the alcohol or the drugs down. It's a scary thing to deal with feelings and emotions that you've dodged most of your life. It really is. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm feeling, but um, with faith and hope and the willingness and not giving up the battle, I've got another 24 hours clean and sober. I've got another day with my son and my family. And I'm on a fixed income and I can't afford to upgrade my phone I've had for 10 years. So if this video can keep one person sober or one person to seek treatment, it's worth it. But Q-Link, I thank you for being there for me. Because of you, you've made a survivor. Thank you. From one person to another, if nobody's told you that you're special and you're loved, I'm telling you, you're special and you're loved. From my family to yours, God bless you. And take care. And God loves you.